to turn off or turn on, that is activate or deactivate your Windows security. That's what I'm going to show you. So you come to start, setting, go to update and security, then you go to Windows security, virus and threat protection, virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. This is where you put on or off. For now it is on, as you can see here. The tab, see here it is on the Windows security, and here it is on. So when you want to deactivate, you put this off, and yes, you have done the deactivation of your Windows Defender or Windows security. See the confirmation. Come and check. It is off. So now you can load whatever you want to load. So by so doing, you are able to do any installation of a licensed app, and then you can activate later. So that's how you deactivate. To activate is simple. You go the same procedure to this part again, and then you see it is off, you just put it on, and by so doing you have deactivated your Windows security or the Defender. So you can check just in a moment, it will be okay. You can cancel here. There you are, it is activated. So that is how you activate or deactivate your Windows security or Defender on your Windows, on your laptop or computer. That is for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So thank you for watching.